Alright guys, so welcome to today's special video training. So today I'm going to show with you guys how I lost almost $500 to WarriorPlus, just launching and selling products on WarriorPlus. So if you are new to WarriorPlus, you don't know what WarriorPlus is all about, maybe you're new to my channel, WarriorPlus is a platform where you can actually go and sell products and take advantage of their free traffic. So if you have known about this platform before and you've been rolling with me all the while, so I want to review to you a simple thing you can do to avoid losing money, because I'm pretty sure, in fact almost 90% sure, that if you are also just getting started on WarriorPlus, you are just beginning to list your product and you're getting one or two sales, you are making this kind of mistake and you are losing hard-earned money that you work hard for, and then you are losing it to WarriorPlus. And that's what I want to show with you this inside this video, how you can avoid losing just $1. I don't want you to lose one more dollar to WarriorPlus as let me say, permit me to say, newbie just getting started on WarriorPlus. So before I go ahead, please, I want you to, you can reach out to me on Facebook. That's my Facebook name, John Anavirore. There's a link under this video to connect with me on Facebook, so you can easily ask me questions and I can always get back to you, because there's no way I can do that on YouTube. But you can ask, or you can of course ask under this video, drop a question, and then I can reply you. But I think it's easier, so you can always continue the communication right on Facebook. So go ahead, there's a link under this video to connect with me on Facebook, and then I will be so glad to connect with you as well. So okay, let's get in now to what I have for you today. So remember, I said I don't want you to lose money to WarriorPlus anymore if you sell products on WarriorPlus, just as I do as well. I've lost almost close to I think $500 to WarriorPlus, and which should not be. So let me show you exactly how I lost that money and how you can prevent such. So you can see this is WarriorPlus launch calendar, and on this page it means these are products going live here, and products that appear here means they get free traffic. A lot of people are coming here and they usually make purchase on offers right here. So you can avoid that. So what you need to do is very simple. Once you have your product live, remember, you will pay affiliates to come and check out your offer and see how much you are earning, how much they can make from your offer, their commission rates. So what you need to do is to set up your notice how your offer is going to look like. This is one of my offer. So, and in an offer you have different products, the upsells and downsells. So now this is an offer I'm selling on WarriorPlus: t-shirt training, profit bond, e-commerce, email marketing course, upsells and downsells. So now affiliates will come over to my timeline and they want to promote this offer, because they're going to earn 50% commission all through the funnel. And so when they want to apply to promote my offer, they'll be taken to this page right here. Yeah, so it's on this page, my affiliate offer page. Let me wait for the page to actually load up. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, okay. All right, so it's loaded up. So you can see it's on this page now. They will now come and request. So I'll share this link to them to come and promote the offer, and then they will promote, and then they'll get their affiliate link and begin to promote this offer, and then they earn 50% commission on this. Now remember, this offer is on WarriorPlus, and the offer I listed on WarriorPlus, it will be here. So free traffic will be coming here as well on WarriorPlus without me doing any promotion or doing anything. Visitors will be coming here to check out the latest products here. So if my offer is also listed here, somewhere here, they will check it out. So if anyone buys directly for, just come here and then buys, just seeing the product here, then WarriorPlus will take the commission. Yes, WarriorPlus will take the commission. They take 50% commission on that. And remember, WarriorPlus, they are not actually promoting your offer, because you are a newbie and then you're not getting results. There is not, in fact, they won't even look at your site. So they are not promoting your product. They are only getting sales based on the free traffic coming to their launch calendar space. So what you need to do is you need to cut away their own commission. You don't want to pay WarriorPlus commissions, and you have to do that without affecting that of your affiliates, because if you just go ahead and cut the commission and then affiliates also are not getting commission, then you'll be losing a lot of money, because affiliates will just turn their back and then will never think of promoting your offer. So how do you now cut away WarriorPlus commission while you also pay your affiliates commission. So it's very, very simple, which I've also showcased right on this page. So what you need to do is very simple. You locate the offer, you know the name, the offer you want to actually, you know, cut the commission on. So what you need to do is to head over to affiliate section. You can see affiliate section here. Go to the vendors tab, click on the vendors tab, and then go to affiliate. So once you click on affiliates, yes, so it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you can see on this page, you can see I currently have pending request of affiliates, which is 0, and then my current affiliates is 599 affiliates. So if I scroll down, and then I'm going to look for WarriorPlus. I'm going to look for WarriorPlus. So if you are just beginning from letter A, you can see I'm on letter Z now. So you can always click on next. I've actually gone ahead and then click on next. So I'm on WarriorPlus right here. Where is it? Yeah, so you can see this is WarriorPlus affiliate stats on all my offers. So out of all my offers, you can see they've been able to earn, you know, $480 on all my products. They've actually, you know, that they have actually earned from. So they've earned $480. You can imagine money that I can just withdraw and use to do something good for myself. So you can see this is someone Wasi Okon. I think I know this guy, one of my members in the Facebook group. In fact, he earned his first sale promoting one of my products, which is he earned $8 commission. So you can see, so to prevent such again, you can see I've lost $480 here. So to prevent such, all I need to do is once you click on affiliates, your affiliate section, go search for WarriorPlus. When you get WarriorPlus, just click on this plus icon, and then once you click on plus icon, you can see it's going to list out all your products you've ever listed on WarriorPlus. And you can see I'm actually giving WarriorPlus huge commissions, 20% commission, 60% commission, 50, 70. You can see, which is actually stupid and crazy. It's actually stupid. So you can see I'm giving them commissions on all my products. So what you need to do, you don't want to lose money to them because they will not promote your offer. They won't. So what you need to do is to go ahead and then click on this edit affiliates. Locate the products you actually want to cut their commission away, and then you just change it to 0. Now what you need to do, please make sure take notes of this before you cut their commission. Make sure your offer is already approved. Yes, make sure your offer is already approved to go live. So once it has been approved, you can go live. Now you can now come and then edit. Yes, you can edit the affiliate. You can now edit. Look for the products. Let me see. And this is T-shirt Profit Empire. You can see I can just come over here and then click edit affiliates. So once I click on edit affiliates, I can now adjust their commission structure, their commission earnings, which I want to give them. So you can see, so I'll just come here and then click on 0. I don't want to pay them anything. It's true now. Imagine I'm selling, I think this product now is about $47. So if I'm giving out $47, and it's actually difficult for affiliates to come and promote, so the little sales I'm getting from their free traffic, well, sometimes I actually give 5%, as you can see earlier, I give 5%, but for you, you can give it, make it 0, just make it 0. Make sure it is active. If it is not active, you might not find your offer on the launch space again, the launch calendar. So make sure set it to 0. So once it's on 0, that means if anyone comes to this launch calendar space and then he finds your product right there and then goes ahead to buy your products, then you will get 100% of the money. I would have logged into one of my accounts, my other WarriorPlus account, where I'll show you a real example of that, but I don't want to go too much on that because I was earning about $27 on one of my about 2 products. I was earning $27 just like that from free traffic right here on WarriorPlus. So that's just, it's as simple as that. That is exactly how you change, you know, the commission commission rate for WarriorPlus without you affecting other affiliates who intend to promote your offer. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If you got 1 or 2 value in this, please like on the video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I really need your subscribe button. I share a lot of high value stuff that's going to help you succeed online. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question for me, you can reach out to me on Facebook. Reach out to me on Facebook. Let's connect together. I want to connect with you. I want to know you, and I always love to know more about my viewers on YouTube or my subscribers on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel and like the video. You can share if you want to share, and turn on the notification bell so that you get alerts when I release my next All right, so I want to believe you've gained one or two things here. So I've showed you how to avoid losing money on WarriorPlus. I have lost close $500. That's exactly $418 to WarriorPlus, which I should have kept to myself. So this is something easy way you can actually, because it's hard, a little bit difficult listing our products, and then you now see your money, sharing the commission with WarriorPlus, when you can actually keep all the profits to yourself. So remember, the thing you need to do is make sure you are changing the commission after your offer has been approved, so that your offer will appear in the launch calendar space. So once it appears here, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy free traffic coming to your offer. And if you have a good offer, you have a good product, you'll be getting one or two sales. Okay, you can see this is my t-shirt stuff right here. You can see online monthly income. This is exact. You can see this is my second account. This is my first account, my personal account, and then you can see the username right here, which you can see the vendor name, you can see, which is online monthly income. So it's my second account. I was actually getting sales, which prompted me to make this video. So I hope you don't make this mistake as well. So go ahead, keep selling on WarriorPlus, and then use this method to save more money while getting sales on your offer. So if you love this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and do every other thing necessary. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.